Candy, and I've been coming to Synergy Wellness for 5.5 months. I started here because I had injured a knee really badly, and a doctor told me that some people had avoided surgery by coming to Dr. Harrigan. So I came for laser, just for laser. But in that first appointment, the atmosphere was so wonderful, so caring. It just instilled confidence right away that everything that they do here is just wonderful and perfect. Then I signed up to be a full patient, and that includes chiropractic and nutrition along with the lasers. Then I recently went on a 28-day detox that this office had recommended. Anyway, the help has been dramatic. When I came in, I was really feeling really rough. I'd had lots of injuries, and that injury to the knee was kind of the last straw. I was afraid I was getting ready to go to a nursing home soon. But oh my, I mean, I'm nowhere near that now. I mean, it feels so good to stand straight and sit straight and walk without my walker. And I mean, I'm just ready for life again. Anyway, a particularly wonderful thing here is that the care is very, very science-based. Tests are done before and after treatment, and so you can see where the improvement, exactly what has improved. I mean, there's hard proof. Even ask for blood work before and after. It's not required, but I like to see the changes. The changes have been wonderful. Dr. Harrigan is just amazingly knowledgeable about all kinds of things having to do with the human body, and he shares that knowledge just so easily, and he will give you research that you can read for yourself. I mean, lots of research. It's a lot of reading, and his practice is very much based on proofs that have been out there in research. I appreciate so much that a big emphasis is helping patients learn how to assist in their own care. I am so glad for the injury that brought me here, and I highly recommend Synergy Wellness and Dr. Tim Harrigan to anyone who is suffering from, well, probably anything.